Is 35 too young to be starting HRT, or is it a good age to start addressing perimenopause symptoms? Hi, I'm Dr. Cat Brown, and I'm the medical director at Winona. This is a good question for a lot of women, but I think that the important answer to this is that every woman's situation is unique. 35 is kind of on the younger end of the spectrum for perimenopause. Most women will start perimenopause symptoms around age 40, but there are some of us that will start younger. So I think it's important that if you're starting to notice symptoms, you're taking a symptom inventory or starting to look at a checklist where you see many symptoms, there can be a lot of overlap, and I think it's important to take inventory of what you're feeling, what symptoms you're experiencing, and discuss those with your doctor before you come up with a plan as to whether or not you should start HRT or not. Because there are some other medical conditions that can have some overlap. It's important to make sure that your thyroid's doing okay, that there's not some other factors involved. And also some women can actually get perimenopause-type symptoms as a result of taking birth control as well. But birth control is important if you don't want to get pregnant. So a lot of things to consider. So that's the answer. It's not a quick and short answer for this one. I think every woman has to look at the risks and benefits and discuss their individual situation with their doctor.